Sahu, and today I am gonna present about digital twin. So let's start with the story. There is a girl called Radhika. She lost her way to this college, and mobile battery was also dead. So she asked too many people about the way she would go, which way she would go, and but she struggled a lot. After that, she went to a shop and charged her mobile, and she used Google Maps. So this is a short story. Now let me ask two questions. What was the Radhika's problem? What was Radhika's problem?
She lost her district.
And how it got solved? Digital twin is just like that. It's you can say it can make a map of literally everything around you. It can make map of me, virtual representation map of me, you, this table, this building, everything. Use this paper, everything. Now moving forward to history. The concept of digital twin was first introduced in 2002 by Michael Graves. Then in 2010, with the advancement of IoT, Internet of Things, which is AR and VR, so it got popularized with that. And nowadays, it's mainly used in manufacturing, healthcare, and urban planning. We will discuss about this, how it is used in that way. So how digital twin works? So I would like to invite Agustin sir. Experiment on me. Yes. So let us consider this is an object. Consider. For the example, let us consider this is an object. An object. Yes. What are the functionalities of this object? What has the function for this object? It has two eyes. It can see the world through its eyes. It has two ears. It has one nose. It has one tongue, distant taste, and it has two hands and two legs also. It also has a heart which pumps blood. It also has a brain which processes the So this functionality what this object can do. Now I will collect all the data from this object, like how far it can see, how fast it can use its hands and legs, how fast heart can pump the blood, all the data. What are the habits of this object? Everything. Now I would like another person to invite. So after collecting the data, we will make the 3D representation of that using that data, and here is our duplicate and make a duplicate of that. So going to make a duplicate of me? No. Yeah, she is a duplicate of me. Okay. Yes. No. Just for example, So let's consider this is the duplicate of that object. So it has the same personalities, but that object. It can also see to its eyes. It can all the functions. It can run fast as that object also. Everything is same. It's like a duplicate of that object. It is the duplicate 3D. After that, now after this class, that object is moved to another class. So we can't do anything. So I will observe this object. What I will observe that. I will see what function, what habits. It will copy the same habit as that object.
Clone.
And then I will analyze what we can. It will give me feedback. It will give me feedback after I analyze it. Like
What is the capability?
like that. When I analyze this, I can know what the future complication that object may cause. And what are the improvements we can do in that object. So is the same works something like that. So you understand, I hope?
Yes.
You can. Chips can go back. The components, what I explained here, it is same thing. It first collects the real-time data of the object or anything, anything it can. It then collects the data of that object. After that, it will make a 3D model, 3D representation of that model object. After that, it analyzes that 3D model and do whatever improvements, whatever complexities in the original object can cause. It analyzes from the 3D model by analyzing 3D model. So there are some main uses of this technology. First use is in manufacturing. Suppose we are manufacturing a car. So by making it by making it design, I will make a 3D model of that car. With what type of engine we use, what's the ground clearance of the car? This, if I want to make a sports car or an SUV, what are the functional features I want to give to that car? Everything it will be replicated on the 3D model of that car. After then, I will analyzing that 3D model and then send that car to manufacture. Then second one is healthcare. It is actually booming right now. In healthcare, it is very booming right now. Let's say I am a patient. The doctor will make a 3D model of me by taking the data. They will take data of what's my habit, what's my let's say what's my health condition. Do I have any previous health conditions? How fast I can move my arms and legs? How fast how efficient my heart is to pump the blood? How many data it will take, and then analyze it, and then it will find out if I have any future complication. Do I have any cancer or not? Do I may cause heart attack or not? So it like in healthcare it's used like that. And in urban planning, it analyzes the type of soil where we build our infrastructure, what type of how we can build the drainage system so that water will drain out easily, and how strong, how capable of that land, how capable that land is to handle the infrastructure. Everything on that, making a 3D model. After that, we will focus what type of building we can make. It will give us the feedback. What type of building we can make. How we can make a good drainage system. Everything. It has some benefits like it increases the efficiency. After this, it increases the efficiency. It reduces the downtime. Means it can predict the failure before the failure will occur. So our next is improved decision making. If we got a 3D representation, what will happen in what is about to happen in that object, we will make some decisions to improve that object so that complexities don't happen. After that, it reduces the cost obviously. That many 3D models analyzing things, we can save the disaster. So it is very cost effective, it's a cost saving also. Although every coin has two faces, it also has benefits and also has challenges also. Like the data may not leak, very personal and private data, very personal data can be leaked to very unethical hands. Last year, we got a very massive data leak of 81.5 crore Aadhaar card details of Indian Aadhaar card details got leaked on dark web. The hacker was selling that data like the tomatoes and potatoes. So it is very concerning and we need to work on it also. So at the end, I would like to say that it's a very new technology and it's now emerging now. And we can literally see the future from this technology. So that's all for the day.